guys, so dito tayo sa may ano no, Baliyugan, Kilternan po ito. Meron tayong titingnan dito na ano, sasakyan, Toyota Avensis daw ito. Ang problema is yung kanyang turbo is bumigay no, so titingnan natin at suriin natin kung anong kadahilanan bakit bumigay itong turbo niya. So most likely yung turbo, pagka yung turbo bumigay po ay nagkaroon po siya ng ano no, hunger ng oil. So pagka ang turbo po ay nag-block yung kanyang oil supply papuntang turbo unit itself, so pwede po itong masira dahil wala nang lubrication sa kanyang impeller shaft or yung kanyang bearing, kaya po nasira or mag-seize yung kanyang ano, yung kanyang tawag nito impeller shaft. So titingnan natin kung anong nangyari. So dito na tayo. So what happened here? Huh?
Turbo again.
The turbo?
Yeah, I got a new one.
Give me a new one.
I was repaired one every time.
Can we open up? So this is 161 Toyota Avensis.
You did this one before, remember?
Yeah, but that was 2 years ago, I think. But the thing is, the reason why sometimes turbo blown up, because if you don't service if you don't service regularly,
We
then the
service every 6 months service.
yeah, but why the turbo is blown up?
Because of the second hand that one.
Second hand.
That one, yeah. Wasn't
Okay. So we will see.
This one's reconditioned one.
God. Will you start
Get the
up
key for you,
start up the engine? We will listen. We'll have to listen. What's going on the turbo unit? So ito po yung pinakamahirap na trabaho guys, dahil yung pinaka-turbo niya is doon sa pinakasulok no, the rear side or the back side of the engine. So this is the worst case scenario when you're doing engine and then the turbo is gone. Then you have to have the very very tight space in there, and it's raining a little bit, so the oil is fine, still on the label.
Fucking rain. How's it, man?
What's going on in here? Huh?
The story of my life. Problems.
You always broke up your car, yeah?
Story of my fucking life.
Oh, come on, boss. What the heck? So, when you're driving, there is no power on it?
Same as last time, no power.
Yeah, no power.
Same thing happened last time.
Oh, God.
Same thing. When I started off,
That's a lot of job things. See that turbo there is very...
when we did it last time, you
very-
took off half of it, you joined the back, remember?
Yeah, but that's the scenario it is, because the bolts on the turbo that connected to the exhaust manifold cease. You know what I mean?
And you may
And it
get them off.
cease, and then if it is ceased, there's no way to get it out. So we'll just took off the half, like the casing on it.
Same we did last time, yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, the important thing in here is this unit here. This one here. this one is just the impeller shaft. The impeller shaft is intact, and this one was fucked in here. You know the wastegate?
So this is the one that bolted to the engine, is it?
Yeah. This one here.
This one that sees.
This yeah. This is for the
You're going to
exhaust
attach this
manifold.
one onto it, yeah.
Yeah, and we only need this one here.
Yeah, now listen,
That's-
now the other part, can you put the other part back onto this? Because I have to bring it back over. I have to get my €150 deposit.
Deposit.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we will see.
And then-
We'll
and
see, yeah.
That has to be done. I need to get my €150 back.
We'll start up the engine. We'll see. I want to listen.
Yes.
Yeah. What's going on? Yeah. Get up. Turbo shaft. Shaft is fuck. The impeller shaft.
There's a turbo, yeah.
Yeah. Fuck. So, unti-unti na natin tanggalin yung kanyang guys, yung kanyang wiper. Kasi kukunin natin yung plastic niya. So, just to wiggle it.
Huh? The man's fixing the car, I know, right?
Okay. There you go.
He's not going to see, he's going to leave.
Gas mo dito. Gas yan. So dahil matigas pa yung kanyang wiper, meron po tayong pangtanggal yan, yung kanyang wiper puller.
Give me
Yo!
1 more liter, isn't it?
What?
Another 1 liter.
Yeah!
1 liter, yeah.
Will that be enough, yeah?
Yeah!
Just 5 liters. 6 liters. Okay.
Okay! Yeah. Now we have to pull axis on the turbo unit, and then we can remove this airbox, air tubes, everything. Ito po yung kanyang breather. Anyway, this is breather too. Lagyan na natin ng tape dito. So ito yung kanyang breather guys. Normally very crunchy na po ito. This is the breather pipe. But this one, pinapalitan ko ito but this time wala tayong palit. So i-tip up na natin ng electrical tape. So yan po yung kanyang breather pipe. Magka-reinforce po yan ng electrical tape and then ito po basta-basta maglilik yan. So ito po yung gagawin nyo pagka wala kayong pampalit. Dahil normally yung plastic tubing nito is a breather. So that's it. Dahil ka na move on. So there's a lot of things to be disconnected here. Okay, isa-isahin lang natin ito. Ito siya. Hindi na natin disconnect ito. Yan natin. Tanggalin natin yung kabuuhan niya ng system. Let's go. Hindi na po tayo gumagamit ng gloves dahil pagka mga ganito mabilisan po ito. So mabilisan na. Hindi tayo gumagamit ng gloves. So patigas na. Again 2 years ago pinalitan natin ng turbo unit ito. Second hand na lang. Second hand. And then after 2 years bumigay. So isa po yun sa kadahilan na bumigay yung kanyang turbo is loss of oil supply, no? So kailangan nyo po talaga magpa-service like every 6 months or maximum to 1 year para humaba po yung life ng turbo. Otherwise magaya po kayo nito na bumigay na po yung turbo. So kailangan nyo po magpa-service. It's called maintenance guys. Kagaya din po ng tao, kailangan po yung maintenance, no? Okay, maglaan po kayo ng budget para sa inyong sasakyan. Huwag nyo po basta-basta lang like ignore yung kanyang service thing dahil lahat po ay mayroong hantungan, no? Like mayroong talagang bibigay na pisa pagka pinabypass nyo yung kanyang service. Disconnect natin ito. Okay, ayan, ito siya. So ayan dyan. Ayos na yan dyan. Pwede natin mahalukot ito dito. Ito ang pahirap po nito is yung kanyang oil pipe o supply pipe. Yun po pinakamahirap na may counter natin dito. So ito lang yung tatanggalin natin. Huwag na ito dahil ito nakamounted dito sa exhaust manifold and then there are 3 bolts on the exhaust manifold that are seized. So there's no way we can figure out. So we only need these things here. The Biscuit computer system. This one here. As you can hear. So yan po. So everything we need to do on this part here. Tapos nito is natin si-service po natin ito, papalitan natin ng oil and everything. Ang iningit-ingatan po natin dito is kailangan natin walang masira na mga pisa kasi po today is Sunday and walang binibinta po na pisa, yung mga shop is closed po. So iingatan po natin ito talaga may masira na pisa sa durin sa palitan. Okay. So kasalukuyan po natin tinatanggal yung kanyang boost pipe, yung turbo boost pipe. Plastic po ito.
Right. No, no, yeah.
Yeah. This is nearest what I had to it now.
Yeah, that's okay.
You just press power, yeah.
Yeah, 5:30.
I got tool, man.
Yeah. Good.
Want tea or coffee or anything?
No, I'm okay.
Sure, yeah?
Yeah, 100%, yeah. Malabo ito. So, titingnan po natin yung kanyang, this is the banjo bolt. This is responsible for the supply, whole supply. It looks okay. And then, oh god. Anyway, meron tayong washer nito. So, not to worry. Okay. So, we're gonna sticking up everything here. Need to look back with this one. Titingnan natin dito yung kanyang bracket. Nag-hold ng kanyang turbo unit. Yung bracket ito. Paano natin tatanggalin yung bracket na ma-minimize natin yung pagtanggal ng kanyang mga pisa dito. So, yun. Lagyan natin sa dito. $13 mil. Meron tayong $13 mil dito. So all the bolt that's rounded is been taken out. As you can see here, there's a slash here. That's the alignment of the turbo that we're going to put it in. That's the thing here. Okay. So everything removed in there, including the bracket down. Brackets removed. The bracket has 12 mil bolts, and there are 2 bolts that we removed. And in here, that surrounds the cage, the turbo cage, is like 10 mil, and there are 5 bolts, and it's also taken out. And that's it, guys. And then, as to mention also, this is the supply or oil pit pipe, and there is a return pipe here also. It's a 10 mil bolt. Okay. So I will show you the back. That's the thing there. What you see here, this is the return pipe. Okay.